Hey gang, so I was able to dig about 6 holes at the end of it. Unfortunate part is only 4 has the depth I need to put the post in. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this one in, and then the ones that are already at the right depth, I'm just gonna put some cement in and cement those down. And then I guess go back to the other 2 and try to figure those out. So I've placed some gravel at the base of the post. Well, my wife did. But we placed some gravel at the base of the post hole so to help a bit with the drainage during wet times or if rain's falling or whatever it is. You have some gravel at the bottom of the post to help basically not allow water to gather at the bottom. So when you put the post in, you kind of have to knock it down a little bit to get the desired height you need. Nothing too crazy, just, knock it down a bit. Yeah. So now I'm going to move on to mixing some cement and pouring those in the hole and take it from there. So at this point, what I was thinking is, what did I get myself into? I've never mixed cement in my life, and I just realized it at this moment. My wife was there too, helping out, pouring water in a Polish Spring 1-gallon container. But at this point, frustration just started to creep in a little bit, handling the cement a little bit aggressively, but I just wanted to get it done. Then my wife decided to jump in. And it was at this moment she realized this might not be for her. More Charlie.
Yo, this is a lot of work.
Alright, you want to switch?
Sure.
So we're using this instead of a hose right now because it helps with knowing the amount of water we're putting into the concrete mix.
That should be good.
What you're seeing here is pure elbow grease, frustration, tiredness, and just pain of mixing this damn cement. That's why I look like I know what I'm doing, but it's just pure frustration.
Oh, still have more dry.
So there's more dried concrete, so I gotta add a bit more water. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is real work. This was real work. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Reggie T Plus. Man.
Let me get one of the other two.
At this point, I actually also realized how deep these holes are and how much cement I would really have to put in. One bag can do 2 hole now. And now it came by, and then she started to tamp it down with another stick, just to get the cement to seep through all the little nooks and crannies, so we can get the most support possible. And of course, you need a leveler. Make sure your post is level to your ground. Unfortunately, we have a slope property, so it's literally that section of the fence is going to be going downhill. And cue frustration. There we go. Perfect timing. So I took a break. Decided to go over and do something else. I had a tree to cut down that's in our way of the fence, so my cement mix break, if you want to call it that. It wasn't really that heavy, to be honest. Bit more cutting to do. What do they say? Timber. Be honest. Write in the comments. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? This is definitely a feeling of accomplishment, cutting that tree down. So I had to show it off a little bit. There we go. Later on that evening, my brother-in-law came by to help me out to dig some of the existing holes. He also brought his hole digger. And what I'm doing here, I'm trying to get the stones loose with this metal pipe that we're using as a makeshift thingamajig that you use to loosen concrete and or stone. I think it's called a bar, but we didn't have a bar, so I had these 2 pieces of steel. He had one and I had the other. Worked pretty well, but the bar is better. So yeah, just imagine doing this for 23 holes, 2.5 feet deep. Frustration. Frustration. And more frustration. It was a very long work day, but we got some stuff accomplished. Some holes dug. Again, thank you for watching Reggie T Plus. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next series of videos. Until then, peace.